Well, listen, I travel a lot. Tell him where I was for Ramadan.
گل و بلبل به تراوت گل به لطافت باد صبا به دل پر
I'm here at an underground Islamic rap show.
کانون وفاسو صدای اذان مسلمانان که رسد بر عرش خداسو به دل بشکسته زندانی که نرفته به راه خطاسو به حقیقت دین به کتاب مبین به کلام متین.
Surprise, surprise. The rapper's dad is none other than my well-dressed mullah friend.
صبح و سحر دگری دارد دریای امید مسلمانان در کام صدف گوهری دارد به حقیقت دین که پیامبر ما در مهد بقا پسری دارد.
Wow, bravo. Your father is a mullah, and you are a rapper. I mean, I couldn't think of two things. It's like, what happened?
Well, my father is very open-minded, and he always believed that every human being should have their own vision. And we should do what we believe in. So that's what I did. I became a rapper.
Okay. Is this a little underground also in Iran?
It's difficult because we're not really allowed to do this. We have to work underground. So we record and distribute our songs on the internet so that our fans can listen to them.